Hello dropper friends, Calvin Jones here, Park Tool Company. Does your dropper post seem to move slower than it used to? Well, when was the last time it saw any lube? How about today? Let's see how it's done. Most, but not all droppers have a top cap that unthreads. It's a normal thread. Begin by actually dropping it just a little bit to relieve any upward pressure from the post. These can sometimes be hard to grab and turn, hard to get a hold of. It can help to use Grandma's jar opener. It helps you get a grip. Sometimes they're really tight. You might need a strap wrench. This one seems to be free. We bring it up. The top cap has the wiper. That's where the action is. Now, we can use a lightweight mineral oil, such as from a disc brake system that is mineral oil based. It doesn't take much, so I like to use the syringe from the BKM1. Here, I can dribble in just a little bit, just around. That's all you need, just a little bit. Doesn't make a mess. Now, down with the cap. Secure. Typically that's good. Then we can work it in. Great. Again, not all have a removable top cap. This, for example, top cap is machined directly as part of the body. It is not coming off. In this case, we dribble a little oil on top, work it in, wipe off the excess. We did what we can do. Now, the post is snappy. We are happy. We hope you are too. Thanks for joining us.